Hey up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Autoglym Polar SnowFoam series review. Right then guys, number one in the SnowFoam procedure is this little babby. This is your Polar Blast. So what you're meant to do with this is put 100ml into your little SnowFoaming tub, fill the rest with water, blast this on your car, leave it for 10 minutes and bang, wash it off. Dirt is gone, Bob's your uncle, fan is your aunt. Absolutely spot on. It is mint, honestly, you can't fault it. You literally spray it on, wash it off, job done. You could literally dry your car, leave it, go home, sit down, done. Absolutely mint. Buy that, honestly, it is so good. Right guys, the second step in the SnowFoam procedure is this little beauty, the Autoglym Polar Wash. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, so this one you apply, once you've rinsed the Polar Blast off, you apply the Polar Wash. So this is again another SnowFoam, but with this one, once you've applied the SnowFoam, instead of waiting 10 minutes and then washing it off, you actually get your mitt out and start scrubbing the car. Just gives it a nice shine. But like I say, that Polar Blast was mint. You didn't really need to do this one, but if you're going for the three, you might as well do this one. So you put it on, go straight away with it with your wash mitt and bang, gone. Wash it off, spray it off, and that's when you go with number three. This one, what can I say about this one? It's just your standard foam washing. It's really good. It gets the dirt off pretty easy. It's just like any other SnowFoam in all honesty, but yeah, it's a good thick base. As you can see from the video, it's pliable.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let them know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show them who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When that's enough, then amateurs have to leave.
Right then guys, the third and final procedure in the 3-step SnowFoam wash is this little babby. This, if you can see it, is the Autoglym Polar Seal. Now this is just as good as the Polar Blast. What you do with this is you put it on last. After you've rinsed off your Polar Wash that we just seen before, you put this Polar Seal into your SnowFoam canister and you jet it onto the car. But it's a lot thinner. It doesn't look like a SnowFoam. It's more like an oil sort of thing. It like leaves water droplets on your car pretty much. And what it's meant to do is bring out the colour in your car once you've washed it off with your jet wash, and also give it like a waxy coat. So obviously to protect you from dirt, protect you from rain, and yeah, it's pretty good to be fair. I would definitely recommend this one. I washed my car yesterday and already it's raining today, and the water is just sitting on top of this seal. It's also meant to be very easy to then wash your car again. So the dirt is meant to sit on top of this seal, and then it's very easy just to jet wash the dirt off the top of this seal, just with a standard jet wash, you know, no SnowFoam needed or anything. So I've yet to test this, but it's meant to be pretty good. So I will feedback on that. But yeah, definitely recommend the Polar Seal. Definitely. The most in-depth review, but what can you say about them really? The SnowFoams are very good, definitely recommend them. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and click that little bell at the top, and you will get notifications when I upload more videos. There are definitely more videos coming soon, guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.